Videos is where you find the videos a teacher can use for CPD or use the video and questions in the videos in the lessons. The videos are laid out by subject and then by topic. There is a search bar where you can search for the video you want to use. I want to use the specific heat capacity video questions in my lesson, so I click on physics and search specific heat capacity. In our videos we use direct instruction and dual coding to explain the science. After every chunk of instruction, we have question time, which is formative assessment using a series of multiple choice questions. At the end of each video, we have gap fill exercises, which tests their key word understanding. As soon as the students finish the gap fill task, the answers appear, so pupils can self-assess in the moment. After the gap fill exercise, there are low stakes quizzes, which test the students' understanding of the knowledge. The answers appear, so pupils can self-assess in the moment. These questions can be used in lessons, which reduces your printing to 0. Many of these questions are actual exam questions. Many are 3, 4, 5, and 6 mark questions, depending on your exam board. I love using the questions at the end of the videos because they are high quality and leads to fluid teaching. I can teach the students what I want, when I want, without having to plan or print questions. Below each video are questions that you can use with the students. You can put these up on the board, and when they're finished you can enter the answers with the pupils.